My YouTube. My name is Connor. I'm gonna show you my dog. Her name is Bailey, and she's sleeping right now. I'll show. This is my baby. Is it cool? I'm Bailey. Want the belly rubs? Yeah, you get the belly rubs. Yeah. She's 10 years old, and I am 8. Babysitting her right now. And I know I'm gonna get in trouble, but I'm supposed to take a shower right now. So, hope you subscribe. Bye.